Hi, Kiama Men's Shed here. Check this out. This is a jigsaw puzzle put together by one of the shed members, and it's on a puzzle about COVID in April 2020, and it's all set up. One of the shedders built this for his wife during COVID, and it's a jigsaw puzzle tray that fits beautifully under the bed. It's got 4 drawers to sort all of it out. So fairly light, fits under the bed very nicely, and as you can see there, all the puzzle pieces can be put in there and sorted out, and apparently it works very, very well.